Hello again. This is still chapter 4 under the stars patterns, and it is time for us to take a look at the evening star pattern. We've had previously the morning star, and now it is time for the evening star. Now, as the name suggests, the evening star is exactly the opposite of the morning star patterns, and there you go. It is a reversal pattern indicating a possible top. So what you're looking for when you're looking for an evening star, you are looking for a rising trend. So you have to have an uptrending market, and you're looking for reversal pattern. It is a top reversal pattern, and it is being formed out of 3 candles, with the first candle having a strong green body showing bulls are in control. Then you have a hesitation for the second candle with a small real body. It doesn't really matter the candle for the second real body, red or green. And the third candle with a strong red real body, ideally going with a small gap from the end of the second candle and penetrating substantially into the first candle's body territory. But the thing with the gap is only in the textbooks, from my point of view. It is not that common for the currency markets, but nevertheless you should be aware of such a pattern. So let's try to identify. This is a euro dollar 4-hour chart. Let's try to identify such a pattern and an evening star. Remember, you need a bull market, so a rise market, in order to look for such a pattern, and not quite such a pattern here. This is a 4-hour chart. Remember, let's see, come on. So not quite a pattern. Let's open a new chart. Let's open a file, new chart. Let's take a look at the Great Britain pound US dollar. Let's make this our template, and let's see if we identify something that resembles with an evening star. And yes, this is an evening star. This is a 1-hour chart, but it doesn't really matter. This is being called an evening star. And as you can see, the evening star is formed by a group of 3 candles, with this candle being a strong green candle showing bulls are in control. Then you have a small candle in the middle, in this case with a green body. So small real body candle. This one in the middle. And the third part, the third candle in the group is the red candle. And this has one strong red candle that penetrates deeply into the green one's real body, but I'm not going to write that anymore there. So this is your pattern. This is being called evening star. It comes after a market advances. It signals a possible top. The shadows of these candles to the upside are, let's say, are resistance for any move that bulls would want to initiate to the upside. If you want to stay on the safe side when trading such patterns, remember, morning star is a bullish a bullish, you're looking for a bottom, and with the evening star you're looking for a top. So if you want to trade on the safe side, wait for the confirmation for these candles. Confirmation being, wait for the next candle that comes. Wait for the next candle that comes after the red one, and then go short. So maybe this next candle will be a stronger one like this, and then go short with a stop loss at these shadows. It is not mandatory for those shadows to be retested, like it is the case on the hammers or the hanging man. So it is not mandatory for them to be tested, but anyways it could be. So this is a classical example of how an evening star looks like. Let's see maybe if I identify another one just for the sake of this analysis. They are not that common. But anyways, nothing in here, nothing here. Let's open a new chart. Let's take a look at a different pair. Let's take a look at the US dollar Canadian dollar, for example. Let's make it a 4-hour chart. And let's take our template. And we are taking a look at a possible evening star formation. So this is an evening star formation. It comes after a market advance. You have a strong green real body, then a small real body for the candle in the middle, and then the red candle comes with and pushes to the downside, well into the body of the previous green candle. And of course, you see that these highs, for example, these highs are being taken by this spike, and this happens on the currency market. This happens on the currency markets, especially on the lower time frame. This is a lower time frame, like 4-hour chart. And keep in mind, by the way, that when you are trading such patterns, and when you are looking at such patterns, that the higher the time frames, again, then the more powerful the pattern. Now, according to Steve Nison's book, the book that I recommended at the beginning of this chapter, there are some factors that increase let's say, the likelihood that an evening star or a morning star, as a matter of fact, would be a reversal. And those factors are, if there is no overlap among the first, second, and third real body. So if there is no overlap between them, then it is more likely for them to be a reversal pattern. If the third candle closes deeply into the first candle's real body, or if there is a light volume on the first candle, and then heavy volume on the third candle, and this could signal that bears are trying to come and take control. But this thing with the volume, from my point of view, is kind of tricky, because the volume that you are seeing on a particular broker, even here on this Admiral Market broker, if I would go and click the volume tab to show me the volume, I would say that this volume here is only for this broker, so it is not for the market in its entirety. So I don't think that is relevant for the market and for that specific candle. Now this is what I wanted to show you on the evening star. So we had the morning star, evening star, and still having two patterns to show you under this Japanese candlestick techniques. And the next pattern, it is being called a shooting star, and we will end this chapter with the doji. So stay safe on the markets until then.